Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about how you can actually sell on Alibaba. Now, Alibaba is one of the biggest platforms in the industry right now. And the unique thing about Alibaba in comparison to Shopify or Amazon or even AliExpress is the fact that Alibaba actually cuts out the middleman. Meaning whenever you search for a product on Alibaba, you can go directly to the source and get the product from the source. So there's no middleman involved. And obviously what that does is that it cuts down the actual element of cost. So basically the actual product that you get is going to be as bare minimum as possible, and then you can sell it for a higher price, increasing your profit margin. And that is one of the things I absolutely love about Alibaba, because they have so many products that are available and they have so many elements and manufacturers that are actually providing those particular products. Now, the thing over here I feel that needs to be mentioned, and this is something which a lot of young entrepreneurs and individuals that are getting into this particular niche about drop shipping and obviously looking at different suppliers across the globe, they think Alibaba is a place that you will only get Chinese related suppliers. That is not true, guys. Alibaba is a platform where you can find traders, manufacturers, suppliers from across the globe. For example, it could be Japan, the USA, Thailand, Italy, Turkey. And if you click on more over here, it will take you to the next page where you can actually see the other individuals, the actual manufacturers and suppliers in different countries that are available. It could be India, Pakistan, Italy, Russia, Germany, Brazil, and even the US as well, that you can get suppliers. So let's head over to one of these countries and see different suppliers. So let's click on Germany. And once you click on Germany, you will see all the different suppliers providing different products from Germany. So these are manufacturers that are in Germany, that are developing products in Germany, and then you can get these products from Germany shipped over to you. And that is one of the things that makes Alibaba really stand out, because Alibaba understands that the world is global now. It's not focused in one particular region or one particular place. It is across the globe, anywhere and everywhere. And obviously, with so much globalization happening, it is essential that we understand exactly how we can reach out to different suppliers in different countries. Now, one of the major things, and this is very important, for example, if you're in the US and you want to ship a product from Germany or China, it's going to cost you a fortune. Is going to be considerably higher than getting a manufacturer who is already in the US that is developing products and ship it from inside the US. And that's one of the reasons and the tips I give a lot of individuals, that always focus in your region. If you can't find a product, or you find a competitor product which obviously you can get at a better price, then obviously go for that option. But your first line of defense is definitely going to be decreasing your costs as much as possible and increasing your margins. The second thing over here, which a lot of individuals don't understand and actually look over, is that trade shows. Now, if you click over here where it says the trade shows, you will see that this is one of the most important elements. Back in the day, if you look back 20 years ago, 25 years ago, even 15 years ago for that matter, that whenever you wanted to find suppliers, you had to go to trade shows. And when you head over to trade shows, you would get suppliers from Italy, you get suppliers from Japan, from Germany, from Europe, from the US, from the UK, from Australia, from India, from Pakistan. And then you would speak to them and you will discuss and you will come up to some sort of agreement that this is the product that we want, this is the minimum quantity we're going to order from you, this is how we're going to get it. And you would sit down in this trade shows and do all your trading and everything in relation to your business. But now Alibaba has created something very unique, that you have an online trade show. So you don't need to spend so much money in getting different tickets and booking hotels and actually spending a lot of money in getting information and connecting with different manufacturers and suppliers across the globe. You can do that from the comfort of your home by going online for the Alibaba trade shows that are available across the globe, with so many manufacturers and actual suppliers that are available to give the products that you want, to ensure that you can get the right supplier that you like and have a good understanding with, and continue and develop a long-term relationship. And that is the reason Alibaba really stands out. So we're going to head to Alibaba over here, and if you scroll down, you'll see all the different categories, all the different niches that are available that you can get into. Now, the question really a lot of young entrepreneurs and individuals that want to start dropshipping tend to ask is that how do we start? What is the first step? The first step is research, guys. If you do proper research, if you do in-depth research, if you understand the perspective, the psychology of the audience that you're targeting, the customer's needs, then you can actually develop a successful dropshipping business. But if you don't understand the psychology, you don't understand the proper element of what product needs to be found, then you obviously are going to face a lot of difficulties. And that is the reason why we make these videos, to give you a chance, an opportunity to understand what is the right product to get. And in order to do that, you can do two sorts of research. The first one is primary research, and the second one is secondary research. In the primary research is where you will go out and actually do research. You'll ask questions, you'll have questionnaires, you'll go to different malls, you'll ask people what they want, and then based on that information, you will select a product that you think other people would want to buy. You would think that this is customers would need, but obviously we live in a global age. This is a village now, a multicultural element that we are actually involved in. And for that reason, we need to make sure that we focus and we think globally, but we act locally, because at the end of the day, you might have a customer from Italy, you might have a customer from Russia, you might have a customer from even China. So you got to make sure that you select products that cater to their needs. And in order to do that, you need to head over to a website, which I personally love, is called thinktesting.com. Now, this is your place to research and review online brands. And if you scroll down, you'll see all the different niches that are available, different products that people have created, tested, and obviously based on that, they've written their reviews and spoken about what actually works and what doesn't work and what is taking off. And you can do your research from this particular website. And one of the things that I personally feel has a lot of potential, and especially in today's time where we're living in an eco-friendly environment, is getting very interesting shopping bags. So we're going to search for different brands or different elements over here. So we're going to go for high quality travel bags, and we do that and we scroll down, we're going to see all these different brands that are going to be available that are providing this particular element, this particular product. So we want to go for a particular brand. We want to develop something which is quite related to that. So we're going to go for the first one over here, and once we click on it, we're going to go to this page over here, which is going to give us the complete breakdown of what this particular bag is about. What is the recommendation rate? What is the average rating? What is the reviews for this product? Who did it ship from? When was it founded? And obviously all this information is provided over here for us to understand exactly, is this a product that we want to start our dropshipping business with? Now, for example, for the sake of this video, we're going to say this is a product we want to start off with. So we're going to head back to Alibaba over here. And once we head back to Alibaba over here, we're going to scroll up right to the top, and then we're going to search for this particular product. Now, once I actually put the high quality travel bags and hit the button over here, you'll see all the different bags and manufacturers and suppliers that are available. Now, the interesting thing over here that you need to look out for is the fact that look at the price rates. Now, this particular bag is for $2 with a shipping to the US for $2.59 and a minimum order of 300 pieces. So imagine that you get 300 pieces of this and you sell this for at least $19.99 or $39.99. Imagine the profit margin you're going to be making. Now, we've all seen all these amazing bags that people tend to have whenever they're traveling. And the most important thing over here is to get a bag that's going to be dead cheap. We can increase the profit margin as much as possible. For example, this product over here is for $4 with a minimum order of 2 pieces. This is a particular product over here for a 0.65 cent for 100 pieces. So let us scroll down and see different products over here and select a particular product. Now, this is a very interesting hot selling except custom made waterproof travel duffel bag. And this is for $6 and a minimum of 20 orders is required for it. So once we click on it, you'll see all the information that's available. So for example, if you order more than 500, it's going to be for $6. This is easily retailed right now in the US for $19.99, even $29.99. So you can make a massive profit on it. And all you need to do is click on the contact supplier, and this supplier is in Pakistan. So you can easily contact them, they reply back to you, and you can easily buy this particular product. They will ship the product and you will receive the product. So as you can clearly see, we're on a Chinese website, but the manufacturer is actually in Pakistan. If you scroll down, you look at the overview of this particular product, And the best thing is the company profile, where we can actually look at who these individuals are, where they're based, what they do, how much money they make, what are their turnovers. So their annual turnover is at least 1 million US dollars. They've been established in 2017. They have around 100 people working for them. And obviously their main market is going to be Central America with 15%, Oceania for 15%, and South Europe for 10%. So as you can clearly see, we have all the information that we require to ensure that we can sell this product. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to buy this product from here. And once you buy this product from here, you're going to head over to your Shopify account. So once we have bought the product from Alibaba, we've got that product, we're going to head over to Shopify. Now, if you don't have a Shopify account, don't worry guys, click in the description below on the link and get Shopify for 90 days. Then we're going to start selling these on Shopify. And you can even sell on different platforms. You can sell on Amazon, you can sell on Alibaba as well, you can sell on Shopify. My main reason, and obviously the thing I always tell to every single individuals, is to ensure that you always put your eggs in multiple baskets. Don't focus on one platform, focus on multiple platforms, so you always know that if one platform is not working for you, the other is. So guys, if you have any questions whatsoever, do let me know in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to answer it, because I'm here to support you, guide you, and assist you. And if you've not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your family so more people can find out how simple and easy it is to buy and set up your Alibaba to get the right products to sell on your Shopify and Amazon, on other platforms as well. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.